In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit a table of contents in Google Docs. We'll start by opening your Google Doc. Make sure you're in the document where you want the table of contents to appear. This works best when your document already uses headings, since Google Docs builds the table of contents based on those heading styles. If your document is organized with clear section titles, this process becomes much easier and much more useful for navigation. Once you're inside the document, go to the top menu and click on Insert. This is where Google Docs keeps many of the elements you can add to a page, including the table of contents feature. After that, move your cursor over page elements and then click on Table of Contents. This will open the available options for inserting it into your document. Google Docs gives you a few different styles, so you can choose the one that best matches the look and feel of your document. Next, click on one of the three available formats. Depending on what you choose, your table of contents may appear with page numbers, links, or a cleaner outline style look. The best option usually depends on whether your document is meant for printing, sharing digitally, or simply making it easier to browse. Once the table of contents has been inserted, add a heading above it that says Table of Contents. This helps label the section clearly so readers immediately understand what they're looking at. It also gives your document a more polished and professional appearance. Now, if you want to edit the table of contents, click directly on it. When you do, a small menu will appear. Click on the three dots and then select Table of Contents options. This opens the settings panel where you can customize how the table of contents is displayed. On the left-hand side, click the Formatting drop-down and the Heading Levels drop-down to reveal the editable elements. These controls let you adjust the appearance and structure of the table of contents. For example, you can review how headings are included and explore the formatting settings available for the layout. As a helpful tip, if your headings don't appear the way you expect, double-check that the sections in your document are using proper heading styles like Heading 1, Heading 2, or Heading 3. The table of contents depends on those styles to organize everything correctly. And that's how to add and edit a table of contents in Google Docs. Once it's set up, your document becomes easier to navigate, easier to read, and much more professional looking.